All right.
Say go.
Go, go. Come here, bud.
Let's go, Mommy. Help me.
You do it? I don't know. What is that, buddy?
Just new clothes.
Just new clothes. Ooh, chapstick. Ooh.
What is it?
I know, but look at this.
Mini stuff. No, Liam, this is mine.
Look at buddy. Ooh.
What else did Liam get?
William got a nice little outfit.
And Liam got a book too.
He did?
Yeah, look. Ah.
No, that's Sissy's. Ooh, look, truck buddy. Look at the
What
truck book.
book? It's more fun than this stuff.
You want to say thank you to Auntie?
Thank you, Auntie.
Do you like your chapstick?
Yeah.
You should put it in your purse so we can't find it. Let's not fight over it now. Let him look at it, honey. He can't wreck it. Let him just look at it. Look, buddy. Trucks, come here. You want to look at the truck book? Look. Yeah, look at that yellow truck. Look at all different trucks.
Hey, look at that. Look at those three little
Okay,
trucks.
trash truck?
Trash truck, fire truck,
Yeah. Look at those guys. You know those guys.
the trash guy. That's PU.
Yep, stinky stuff. Pick up.
I like these three trucks.
You do?
Yeah.
See?
I want to see what's in here. Oh, no. Oh.
I think there's just special wipes, okay?
Special light.
To keep in your purse. Like money wipes. These are just special for Caroline, okay? There you go. Go put these upstairs. Hide them from him so he doesn't waste them. Look at your trucks. All right, let's say thank you to Auntie.
Thank you, Auntie.
Thank you. Go mwah.
Ah.
That's what you get from William.
Bye. Oh.
William.
Bye. I love you.